And see here, we don't really like losing plastic and stuff in our whole system. Like look, see how low that water is? We're moving fish and it's too low. You can't dump fish in there. Like our board is just not seated correctly. So you just get you some grass that we've cut, get it wet because it's frozen. Then you get you a handle, you just pack it in there good. See how that's backing up better? So then we'll just keep, as the water's filling up, we'll work the weeds up to the top of the board, and then the water will be going over the board, and then this will be the right height for moving fish.